Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a Pinterest board private. Okay, so what you first need to do is come here at the top right and click on your profile icon. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. It says your profile. So click here and now we are redirected to this page. So under boards, you'll see all the different boards you have. I currently have just this one. So all you need to do is come here and click on this icon to edit it. Okay, so we're editing our board right now. And you just want to go ahead and scroll down and you'll see under settings, we have this option. So if I basically toggle this one on, it will keep this board private. So only me and my collaborators will be able to see it. Anyone else who comes to my profile will not be able to see this board if I go ahead and toggle that one on, okay? So just to prove it to you, this is my board in an incognito tab. And now I'm going to go here and toggle this on, click on done. Then I'll come back here and refresh. And as you can see, I do not have any boards anymore. Everything I had, I made it private. Really that easy and simple.